Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are talking about Wood County Northeast. That is everything north of US 6 and east of State Route 25. It excludes areas 53, 54, and 55, which is Bowling Green, Perrysburg Township, Rossford, Lake Township, and Northwood. So let's begin. In today's segment, we're talking about January 2021 numbers, and so far, we're looking pretty good in this market. We're seeing 9 new listings, which is a 125% increase, and we desperately needed them because pending sales and closed sales are also right up there with them. Currently 6 and 6 on each respectively, and what that's doing is that's driving numbers down a little bit in this market. So if you're a buyer right now and you've been thinking about buying in East Wood County, it is absolutely the time to do it because we're currently down 3.3% on average and 16% for the median score. So that means that some of the lower price points are hitting the market right now. There's currently 11 homes for sale in this marketplace, and overall, we're still tracking pretty well. Even if you're a seller, don't despair. This trend will likely not last long. These are normal numbers for January. It's an abnormal market overall, but these are normal numbers for January. So please don't despair. Looking over the past 10 years, we're looking very, very good. If you have any specific questions about Northeast Wood County or would like to get a more specific number for your particular home, feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 419-705-5818. Again, this is Jim T with Key at 419-705-5818. You could text me or call me at that number. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you find it to be, please hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss any future videos. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thanks so much, and you have yourself a great day.